Lake Chad, once the sixth largest lake in the world, has shrunk to 1/10 of its size, from 25,000 kilometers squared in the 1960s to 500 kilometers squared today. The lake's depth is very shallow. It was originally 7 meters deep in the 1960s and now averages only 1.5 meters deep. In 2009, the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization put forward that if nothing is done about Lake Chad, it could disappear over the next 20 years. The region's growing population dependent on the lake, combined with dry climate, deforestation, poor human management through overgrazing, unsustainable and inefficient irrigation and damming methods on the parts of the countries bordering Lake Chad are partly responsible for its shrinking. The disappearance of Lake Chad will impact on millions of people, all of whom depend on the lake as the main source for drinking water, irrigation and food. The lake provides water to more than 20 million people, including approximately 9 million farmers, fishermen and herders who depend on the lake and surrounding region for their livelihoods. Because of the shrinking of the lake, millions of people now face water shortages, crop failures, livestock death, collapsed fisheries and increasing poverty. Malnutrition is on the rise in the region and across Chad, where it already contributes to 1/3 of the deaths among children under the age of 5. In addition to a decline in fish production, there has been degradation of pasture lands, leading to a shortage of animal feed and a reduction in livestock and biodiversity. Rainfall patterns in the Lake Chad Basin have changed significantly in the past 30 years, resulting in a significant drop in water level, a decline in vegetation and an increase in vulnerability to erosion. Large numbers of people and their livestock have migrated due to the changes in rainfall and have increased pressure on resources upstream. Lake Chad is the habitat for the black-crowned crane. The crane has significantly diminished. The shrinking of Lake Chad led to a massive reduction in fishing, which many people relied on for income, and has caused tension at community level between different land and water users, and regionally between countries competing for resources of the lake. Lake Chad has important fisheries that contribute to employment, food security, government tax revenues, domestic markets, and exports. Government officials from the 4 countries are working together on a plan to divert water from a tributary to the Congo to replenish the lake.